Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the ringtone on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, open the list of all applications by pressing the digital crown once, then scroll down to Settings app, open it, and then scroll to the Sound and Haptics settings, tap on them to open, and here scroll down to Ringtone, tap on it, and now you can select one of the available ringtones for your Apple Watch, and then leave this menu to apply settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.